Good day everyone. In this video I will share with you how you can edit, swap text, images, links on your HTML page on cPanel with no skills as an affiliate marketer. Make sure you watch the video till the very end because I have something really special for you. Before I start the tutorial video, just a disclaimer, I have no prior experience in any sort of coding, no skills, no knowledge in any sort of web development, so whatever that I'm showing you in this video can be done with literally little to no skills. Okay, so what you are looking at right now is a HTML web page which I have uploaded it in my cPanel file manager backend. So over to this part, there are two things for you to take notice. The first one will be the images folder where you save your images and also store your images for this specific web page, and also the index.html file where most of the edits, the changes of the text, the images, and also links will be done in this file. Okay, so first thing to do, pretty simple, you just need to open this file. So just right click on it, click on edit, and then click on edit again. A new page will a new browser window will appear, and this is the specific codes for this HTML web page. Okay, so the first step I will teach you is how to change the text in this particular HTML page. Pretty simple. For example, I want to change this PC notebook. Okay, so what I'll do, I just go to index.html file, click on Control F, open up the search bar window, and I will search for PC. As you can see, as I typed PC, it automatically brings me to that line of code. Okay, so do not mess around with any of the code, okay, because we are not familiar with coding. So what we will do is just change this word. Okay, so for example, I can just put MacBook Pro, Air, iOS, Android. Okay, so just an example. So I just click on Save Changes. I go back to the HTML file, the HTML web page, and I just refresh the page to see what is changed. Okay, as you can see, pretty simple. It changes this particular word, okay, from PC notebook to MacBook Pro, Air, and so on. Basically, for changing the text, most of the text in this page can be changed unless there are when you're testing out, something goes wrong, you can't change it, then better don't change it, because we do not have that experience or that skill to deal with the code. So I give you another example. I want to change the name Alex Marine. Okay, so what I'll do is I will find the word Alex Marine in the HTML file. Okay, so I'll just Alex Marine. As you can see, it quickly finds the word Alex Marine right here, and I will just change this word to Alex Jones. Alright, so I click Save Changes. I go back to the HTML web page. I right click and I reload the page. Okay, and as you can see, the name here is changed as well, Alex Jones. Alright, so this is how you change the text in the HTML file. The next thing that I will share with you is changing the link. Okay, so for the link, it's a bit complicated, but definitely manageable. For example, what you are seeing right now is a Quizlander, which has more coding into it, more stuff into it. So not to actually complicate things further, what I'll do is I'll go through the quiz and have a look where am I supposed to insert the offer link. All right, so as we can see, this will be the offer link. All right, so the word request. So what I will do is I will either look for the word request or I will look for the word remaining amount. Okay, so I'll go back to the file, go to the search bar, I will search for remaining. Okay, so as you can see, there's only one word that says remaining, so it's easy for us to search for it. So over here it says remaining amount colon, and then this is the code href, ahref. So basically this will be the code for linking a specific URL to this word. Okay, so I can do two things right here. I can either I can change the name of the button. Okay, so just now it says request. I can say, for example, just to make things easy, I just put request click buy. Okay, this for example, and over here I would change it to, so when you click the link it would actually bring you to google.com. So I would just show you that it brings me to Facebook. No, let's not go to Facebook, let's go to yahoo.com. Sorry about that. Go to yahoo.com. Okay, and I'm going to click save. All right, so pretty simple. What we're going to do is refresh the page, and sadly to say, every time I refresh the page I need to do the quiz again, so I'm just going to go through, breeze through it. And you can see I've changed the word for the button, and if I click on it, it says your Samsung blah 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 has been booked. You say okay. There you go. It brings you to Yahoo. Okay, so let's go back to the page. The third thing that I will share with you is basically how to change images. So this is fairly simple as well. To make it easier for you to change, we will just go through the quiz funnel again, and I will want to change this specific image on this web page. Okay, so this is the image that I want to change for the web page. All right. So you can change all these pictures as well, but just take note. For example, if someone gives you a template for a HTML web page, and they have actually included everything for you, make sure that when you change the images are in the right dimensions. All right, this is very important, because sometimes your developer might not include a line of code to actually resize that specific any images into that specific shape, I should say. So always do the extra mile to check how to do stuff like resize images and so on, so you will not affect the size and also the layout of the web page. All right, so I want to change this image. I just go back to the index.html and try to look for where is the image. So over here, the nearest word to this specific image is request click buy or remaining amount. All right, so I'll just search for remaining again, so I don't need to type remaining. Okay, the word remaining is here. So how are we supposed to identify that specific image? Okay, so from what I know, over here, this is supposed to be the image. All right, because it is a PNG file. So what I will do right now is I will go back to this backend and look for an image in the images file. Okay, so this means that the source will be from the images file, images folder, and this is the file that you want to load from the images folder. Okay, so for this specific tutorial, I have literally uploaded and also resized my own image. So the image name is iPhone-Pro-Gold2.png. So pretty simple. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to change this word, okay, into iPhone Gold Pro, I think Pro, right? Pro Gold 2.png, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, iPhone Pro Gold 2 PNG. All right, pretty simple. So I'm just going to click on Save Changes. Okay, reload this page. and go through the funnel until the button where I click on the offer link. All right, so you know that how it works. Okay, let it load for a while. I'll show you that this is the changes. The name of Alex Jones, the word on the button is changed, and the image is changed, as you can see, because this specific image that I've uploaded into the cPanel backend for this specific HTML web page is resized. Okay, the image is resized. So if you put in big images which is not the same as what you have gotten from the template, there is a high chances that the picture will be oversized and cover most of the layout of this web page. So do keep that in mind. All right, so I'm just going to click this. Okay, then it says blah 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 over here, and just click OK, and there you go, to Yahoo. All right, so I'm just going to go back to that page and just give you a basically an overview so you understand. So for example, if I want to change this specific pop-up, okay, for this image, these words and all that, it can be done. All right, just make sure every time that you want to change something, you back up the initial HTML file first. Okay, then upload the copy of the HTML file. For example, for this, we would like to thank you for using Samsung for a long time. So if you want to change this word, pretty simple, just go over to index and search for "we would like to thank you." All right, so it should be this. It should be under JavaScript, because that specific pop-up and so on is actually under JavaScript. All right, so for example, over here I just change it to, I might be wrong, you see, but let's change it. All right, let's just try. Okay, so I just click on Save Changes over here, and I just click on Reload. It should be correct. There you go. There, test now, haha, a long time. All right, so I was right. So but sometimes it takes a little bit of trial and error, and also like dig a bit deeper in the rabbit hole of testing this out, as long as you do not change any line of code. Okay, changing the alphabet, the words used will be definitely fine. The images, to change the images is fine, and also the link. All right, so thank you so much for you checking out this tutorial. I hope that it has been valuable, because I'm trying to make it quick and easy for you guys. And if you like what you see in this tutorial, I'm actually giving away this specific landing page for you. So if you are an affiliate marketer and you want to do affiliate marketing and make money online, there's a link below. Just go to that link. I'm giving away a bunch of free landers, which is something like this. All right, so thank you so much for watching, for tuning in. If you have get value from this video, give it a thumbs up, comment your problems in the comment section below. I will try my best to guide you guys through the comments, and yeah, talk to you guys soon. Cheers.